everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a fall eyeshadow look. I used the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette. This is the palette from last Christmas. It is not the new extra spicy. I looked at that palette and I don't think I want it. I love this one. I loved it last year. I did a review. I will find that and link it down below for you. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. And please, if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. So now, just stay tuned and you can see how I did this look. Okay guys, now I'm getting ready to put my base color on. I'm using the spiked eggnog, and what I'm going to do is put it all over the lid area, basically up to my eyebrow, down to my crease, and I'm going to blend it out really well. And that's what I'm doing right here. Next, I'm going to go into Spice is Nice. I'm going to pick that up on the same brush, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade and blend it really well from my crease up to my brow bone, not all the way up to the eyebrow. And the key here is to blend it out really nice and really smooth. Next, I'm going to go in with Spice of Life. It's like a greenish gold color. I'm putting that on my inner and outer corner of my eye. I'm leaving the center open to put a different shade, but that is what I'm doing right here. It gives it kind of a little bit of a halo effect, but it won't be too much of a halo. Next, I'm going in with Warm and Toasty, which is a pretty gold. And that's what I am going to put in the center of my lid. I just like those shiny shades on my lid, so that's why I picked these. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a color called Reindeer Paws. That is what I'm going to use to deepen my crease. I could have went a little darker here, but I was playing it kind of safe. So I was real careful, picking up a little color and blending as I go, just to darken that crease and make my eyes pop a little more. I work it on the outer corner and then blend it over towards the inner corner, and it's very important to just blend as you go and you don't have streaks. Next, I'm taking Figgy Pudding on a small detail brush, and I'm going to use that under my lower lash line. And I'm going to blend that across just like it was a liner. And there you go. I'm really loving using different shades under my eyelid right now, just to give it a little pop of color. Next, I'm going to go in with a little Gumdrop because I want to add a little more color under my eyelid. So I'm just being really careful and just blending it in. Not too much of Gumdrop, just a little bit to give me a little more color. Now last, I'm going to pick up some Frostbite Me. It's a glitter. It's a white glitter. I'm going to use that as a little bit of a topper on the top of the gold and in my inner corner as a highlight. Now this will complete the look. After I do this, I will do liner and mascara, and then my look will be done. So thank you guys. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're new. And thanks again, guys. I will see you next time.